Hey, we are going to start the live call in a minute or two. Just doing a quick mic check, and then yeah, once everything's working fine, we'll get started. We have some high level updates this week, and again, I want to explain some high level features because every week I do these calls, and then still I talk to some guys, and they are not even aware of what high level features there are. So yeah, I try to explain again everything on this call. And yeah, we'll get started in a minute. All right, so today we have some exciting updates to Go High Level, which is the best all-in-one marketing platform. I use this for my clients, for my own customers, for their customers. I use it for everyone. I use it to build websites, automations, and those are the two main cases that I do. So it's great to manage leads, do the automated follow-ups, create simple funnels for your offers, and then you can even host websites, and there are tons of other features. But if you have a starting out and you have a new business, these are the main ones that you need. So before we jump into the updates this week, we have some exciting ones. I just want to go over the presentation from the previous week. So again, what is high level? So this is an all-in-one marketing platform. Best if you are running your own marketing agency or you are just starting out, or if you have a local business, you have a barber shop, you have a nail salon, you have a beauty salon, and you are looking to collect reviews from Google. You are looking to make blog posts for better SEO rankings and then better ranking in the Google search. Or even if you are just starting out in the online space, you are freelancing and you are just looking to promote your offer. HighLevel is going to help you with different features. This is a quick overlook of what it provides. For example, CRM and pipeline management, unlimited sales funnels, website builder, survey, email marketing, automations, booking appointments. Normally, if you use different softwares and tools for all of these, it's going to cost a fortune. Now, HighLevel comes in with the cheapest plan at 97 per month. So here are some examples of the features that HighLevel offers. One of the most used, at least by me, is going to be the automated follow-up with your leads. So if you have a Facebook lead campaign and you have a lead coming in, now you don't need to wait until you wake up in the morning and then you call their phone. HighLevel is going to do it automatically for you. So if you have a new lead coming in or someone just booked a call, it's going to instantly follow up and then it's going to help you keep those leads warm and eventually convert them. Next, we also have a CRM. So this is with unlimited contacts. There's no limit on how many contacts you can add. This is going to be a great place to have all your leads, hot leads, warm leads, store their emails, phone numbers, or their data. So the CRM is a great feature. And then there are some other features that I mentioned, which is the website builder, funnel builder. You can also run Facebook, Google, and even LinkedIn ads from inside the platform. You get reporting and analytics to see exactly where your money goes and how it performs. And then you can also set up sales pipelines. So here are the main high-level subscription plans. You can get started as low as $97 per month. And then that's going to give you unlimited contacts, users. access to all the features, and you'll have up to 3 sub-accounts. So if you are just starting out, there's no reason to go with the 300 or the $500 plan, because on the 97 plan, you'll get access to everything. Now, I don't want to go over all the plans, just the 97, and then I'll also show you a way on how you can get started. So if you are watching this video, there's actually two links in the URL. There's one to join my free group, and there's one to get a 30-day free trial with HighLevel. So if let's open those URLs. First, let's start with the 30-day free trial. So you can start and test HighLevel for free. And then if you don't get any customers in the first 30 days, you can cancel and then restart again with a new email address. So you can keep doing this as long as you need. And whenever you get your first customer and then it makes sense to pay for HighLevel, you can just keep it active. Now with my link, you can get the free trial and all my bonuses. So my bonuses include some ready to use website templates. So whenever you load a new sub account, you'll get over 50 website templates. You also get an onboarding call with me. So I'll help you set up your HighLevel account and get the most out of your 30-day free trial. You'll also get access to my private community. So there we do multiple Q&As every week, weekly coaching calls, step-by-step tutorials for HighLevel. And then also to get leads, we are also focusing on meta ads. So we have basic and advanced meta ad strategies that's going to help you increase your lead flow, generate leads like crazy, and then also it's going to help you on the creative side. So how you can create ad copy, how to create creatives for your ads, and then yeah, the two communities. Here are some reviews, and then this link is going to take you to this one, which is basically the HighLevel bootcamp. So this is where you get the 30-day free trial, and it's going to be actually done with the HighLevel team. You'll get a HighLevel coach, you get live calls and breakout rooms so you can work with other people. And then once you leave the bootcamp, you are going to have a live business and you'll get 30-day trial with support as well. So here are all the features that you receive. Free bonuses, snapshots, funnels, and then here are all the reviews from HighLevel. Now, the other link is going to take you to my free community. If you go to site, it's going to take you to my school's about page. Currently, we have over 800 members in the group. This is what you are going to see before you sign up. It's free to join and you get free access to the basic courses. So if you check out the classroom, this is how it's going to look like. You'll have the first steps, the basics for meta ads and HighLevel. And then as you level up, as you engage more in the community, at level 2, you will unlock all the live calls. And then at level 4, you get a free consultation, another one, because I also provide a consultation once you sign up with HighLevel. And yeah, then you get the bonuses, then you get the other classroom once you upgrade to premium. So how it works is I have different plans in the community. I have a $9 plan, which is going to unlock everything inside the classroom, all the courses, all the Q&As, and then you also get a consultation. And then for 19 per month in the community, I can actually provide a HighLevel sub account for you. So you don't even need to pay the 97 per month. So that alone saves you some money. So next, let's jump into some use cases of HighLevel. So this is a live HighLevel account. I use it with one of my customers. And then let's say you have an idea, you want to start a marketing agency and you want to sell your offers to roofers, for example. So you say, hey roofers, I'm going to generate 50 leads for you in the first month. Now you just need to make that into a funnel, run ads to your funnel, collect your leads, and then follow up with your leads. So how you are going to do that is you will build a funnel. So here's an example. In this funnel, we provide a free consultation. And then if you go to the first step of the funnel, let's just go inside and edit. So the first step is going to be simple. We are actually doing accounting services for construction companies. So this is talking to them But if you click on the free consultation, you'll get a pop-up, and inside the pop-up, we'll have a simple form that you just need to fill out: name, email, and phone number. Once you fill out this form, you can book your free session, and that is going to take you to our calendar where you can find the slots and book your call. We also have some other testimonials of the work we've done for other construction businesses. Here's the calendar, you can book a time, and then we just go to a thank you page and then confirm the book call and send an email. So to send an email, we use automations. So if we go back, we need to go to automations and then select, select the automation that we have. So we just need to go to new lead. We already built this out. So every automation has trigger that's going to start the automation. In this case, we use the form field. So whenever they fill out the form with the name, email address, phone number, they are going to get inside. We are going to create an opportunity, and then it's going to be inside the high ticket pipeline in the opt-in pipeline stage. We are also going to assign it to the users and then send internal notification that, hey, a new lead has been added, congrats, make sure to call them and follow up right away. So in that email, we can also send the contact name and phone number. So you don't need to be in the CRM all day. You just receive the email on your phone, or this can be an SMS text also, so you don't even need a Wi-Fi. And you already know their name, how to greet them, and you have the phone number, so you can just one click call the new leads. And then from there, we are going to follow up in emails. So we actually have a multiple day email sequence. You'll see it goes on for 30 days and longer. So at 30 days, it's going to finish. So that's all really. It's quite simple, and then you can manage your leads under opportunities. You go inside, and then you'll see these guys submitted a form. We actually called these guys, these didn't answer, responded to, or follow up. So you can manage all your leads inside. So now let's take a look at how you set up a brand new sub account. So every week we have new templates with HighLevel, and every week we have a new snapshot. So now I'm going to show you how you can load a snapshot into HighLevel, and then why you should use snapshots, how it's going to speed up your process. So if you have an agency account, you just need to go to account snapshots, and then you can find the snapshot templates here. And then you can filter by niche, what niche you are looking to use. You can also use a list view. And then once you find a snapshot that resonates with you, let's say you have a modeling agency or a nail salon, that's a good example for a local business, you can just go inside and create the sub account. So once you create a sub account, you are going to see this feature for the map. Now, either if you have an existing business, you just need to type in your name, or if you don't have a business on Google Maps yet, you need to add the information manually. But let's see and try to find a nail salon on the map. So it's auto-populating the address. Let's just move forward with this address. And then you need to fill out some additional name, first name, last name, and email. Oh, this should be nail salon. And then nailsalon@gmail.com. And then we already have the address. We just need to add a city. Let's just do New York. And then a time zone. We just use LA. And then we can add the sub account. Now, the reason why we use snapshots is because it's automatically going to pull automations and websites inside your new snapshot. So we just need to reload this page and then find the snapshot. So if we go to this menu, we should find the new snapshot we just created. So here we go, the tomato nail salons. Now inside we already have a site that you can just use. So here we have the nail salon offer. And then let's see what it entails. Let's just go inside to edit. So the first page is going to be a consultation page. And then here's you can just claim your offer. This is a custom value, so you can replace it with your offer. For example, free consultation or a first nail job or a free nail job for the first time. And then some about page. You can just update it with your location name, your experience, your happy clients, testimonials, FAQ. You can change the location and edit the contact page. And then once they fill out the form, that's going to be the consultation appointment. So here they can book an appointment. You can either use a calendar, which is already pre-populated. You can change your working hours, but it's already here. And then it's going to have the thank you page. So what we did is in 5 minutes, we created a business that didn't exist before. You basically just need to replace your logo, update your email address, update your phone number, your business name, and your nail salon is going to have a website in 5 minutes. You just need to connect a domain and it's going to be working already. You can start booking appointments for your business that didn't exist 5 minutes ago. So I think that's the most powerful about snapshots and HighLevel overall. And with each snapshots comes with automation. So for example, in this example, we already have a couple automations. We have marketing workflows, and then inside we have new lead nurture. For example, you have a new lead coming in to claim the offer, and it's already preset. You basically just need to turn this on, publish, and it's going to work. So if you have a Facebook lead form submission or they submit a form from your website, you are going to send emails, SMS, and if they did not respond, you can call them, or if the response is positive, you can send the booking link, or if I mean, this is amazing. Like, you would need to spend hours to build these automations, and now it's at your fingertips, ready to use. So I think it's really powerful. So that's how you load a snapshot and then create your business from zero in minutes. So every week we have new templates with HighLevel, new website templates, new form templates, and then new snapshots. The most recent was a physical therapy clinic. I'm not going to load that again, but yeah, let's go to the next features, which is going to be the workflows. So now it's the same. So these are the workflows that I just showed. And now with the new update, we are going to have the expanded error highlight feature. So if there is an error inside your workflow, HighLevel is automatically going to put a big sign that there are errors, and then you can click to resolve. So you can avoid publishing workflows that are not working correctly, which is going to save you some headaches. And then it's also going to explain exactly what the problem is with your workflow. Maybe you are trying to use a calendar that doesn't exist. Now it's going to tell you. Next, we also have some AI features that I didn't mention. The AI features rolled out in 2025 Q3 and Q4. So you can use AI to build your website, AI to build your workflows. And now with the AI Builder, it has some new features. There are some conversational editing added in for the wait and if else actions. So if you are new to HighLevel, I don't want to confuse you with this one, but if you already use HighLevel, you can take a look. Basically, with your AI assistant, now you can just chat, and then here's an example that there are no more limitations for if else or wait actions, no more manual steps needed. Here are the examples of how it looks like in action. And then next, we also have an update to the AI builder, which is basically previously you had to write what you wanted to ask the AI. So let's say I want to create a new workflow using AI. So you could tell it, hey, let's build workflow whenever someone books a call, send them reminders. Previously, you had to do this. and then AI did all of the work. Now, if you are even too lazy to type, you have the option to just talk to the AI. Here with the microphone, you can just turn the microphone on. Now, because of the video, my microphone's already in use. But you can just use this, talk to your phone, to your PC, and now it's going to just get what you tell it. And I don't think it gets any easier. Creating a website, you basically just say 5 sentences, and then you'll have a website built. So I think that's an amazing feature. And then next we have some more updated visuals for the workflow. So if you have any errors with your contacts, now you have better highlights. So here's an example. Everything's going to be highlighted, and if there are some errors, it's going to be more obvious so you don't miss it. And one more AI update this week is the AI powered WordPress page builder. So now we also have this rolling out to WordPress. Previously, the AI builder was only available if you built websites inside HighLevel or inside the HighLevel funnel builder. Now you can use it in WordPress as well. So to find it, you need to navigate to WordPress, all sites, manage websites, and then under pages, you can find AI generated pages, which is going to be a powerful tool to speed up your workflow. I can show you an example of how it works. So if we go to sites and then we go to build with AI, we can just build a new website in 2 minutes. So let's see. So here we are. Let's just go to build, generate with AI, and then we can just tell AI what we want. So let's say we have a local nail salon and we need a simple funnel to book calls for our new customers to get 20% off. And that's all. So let's send the message. And HighLevel just recently improved the speed of the AI. So now this building should take basically no time. So let's see how it works. It's generating the page. In the meantime, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the new features for your HighLevel account. So if you are in your agency level, you need to go to settings on the bottom left corner and then select labs on the left side and just check out the agency and the sub account level, because here are all the new features that you can turn on for your sub accounts and your business. For example, here's a new feature for the courses. Now you can, once you are building courses, you can import from media storage. Currently is disabled for all sub accounts. It's automatically going live in 7 days, but if I want to give first access to my sub accounts, I can do it by activating the feature, selecting all my sub accounts, and then clicking on bulk action and enable access, save, and now it's going to be enabled for all my sub accounts. So now my customers can use the new features on the first day. They don't need to wait anything. They don't need to wait for this feature, for example, to roll out on March. Currently it's February, almost a month away, 26 days. I'm just going to activate all the new feature for the sub accounts in my business. So let's just save, and it's all activated. In the meantime, I'm not sure if you heard, but we had a ping noise. So that's coming from the AI funnel builder. So our new funnel is ready. And then this is what it built in 2 minutes. So new client special, enjoy 20% off, because that's the prompt we used. Book my discount call, here's the button. And the colors picking, I think, is really nice for a nail salon. Nice and pink. Vibe book with Lux nails. So premium hygiene, customized to your style, new client 20% savings. Here's an example image of a nail salon loved by local clients. Lock in your offer. So this was all done in about 3 minutes, which would previously have taken you about 30 minutes to 2 hours, depending on your experience. So this is why the AI is so powerful. And then now we can ask AI to make changes to the website, or we can just select one part, for example, the headline. Select it here, and then we can tell it to rewrite the headline to make sure it's more appealing and it's going to have a higher conversion rate. So those are the main updates for the new features this week for HighLevel. This was week 8 in 2026. And then I also tried to introduce some more use cases to HighLevel, how you can utilize it for your business, some examples. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, just drop your comments or questions in the YouTube chat. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. And thanks for being here today. I'll see you in the next one.